Being a sneakerhead, it's a few things that we can all relate on. One of the things we can relate on is not buying a sneaker that you regret to buy later down the line. The way it is now is so much different than it's ever been. If you don't buy a sneaker today, that shoe will be double the price tomorrow. And that is why you see shoes on sneakers app selling out. It's even why you see terrible Jordan colorways selling out, because not everybody wants them. We just know, sadly, if we don't get them now, we only will have to pay more later. And it really don't even matter what the shoe is. The shoe can be a mid shoe, it can be an Air Force One. Literally, all white Air Force Ones are being resold for more than the original price. Sneaker came out last year that I was really excited about when it came out, but for some reason, I don't know why I slept on it, I just never picked it up. However, I finally got them in the studio today. I'm very excited to get into it because it's almost a necessity when you're thinking about Air Jordans. Ah, yeah. Pretty sure you know what this is, right? What is going on, everybody? It is your boy Snapper Jones and welcome back to another video. Hopefully you guys enjoy today. Listen, leave a like on the video. Don't know why. I literally don't know why for the life of me. My subs on my sneaker channel never hit the like button. I literally have a whole nother channel where I upload IRL content and sometimes I get half the views but triple the likes on the video. I have no idea why. Hit the like button if y'all watching this, man. It goes a long way. It just shows a little bit of support and I appreciate it. Air Jordan 4 Lightning. This was a sneaker that I don't know why I didn't grab right off the bat. We know it, we seen it, but I just feel like it's the perfect time to talk about why is it getting to the point where either buy now or pay a crazy amount for it later. I had several chances to get this shoe. I think during the time it came out, I had to just be busy. That's all I can really say. Maybe I was busy because I didn't buy it. Now, I love the Air Jordan 4. I think the Air Jordan 4 is slowly starting to become like my favorite Air Jordan. Originally, my favorite Air Jordan is a 3. I always like 3 and 4s. It was like back and forth, back and forth. But as of late, the Air Jordan 3 colorways just hasn't been hitting like that for me. The Cardinal 3s is kind of like mid. Came out with those Racer Blue 3s, those were mid. I am excited about the Fire Red 3s. I do think that that'll kind of bring me back in the loop, but the Air Jordan 4 is kind of taking my heart right now, man, especially with all the fire colorways that they got coming out. So y'all probably seen this shoe all over by now. I'm pretty sure you own it by now. As a matter of fact, if you do own a sneaker, then comment down below and let me know if you have it or not. Now, originally this shoe released in 2006, and now we finally getting another pair 2021 last year. It retailed for $220 November 26th, I believe, and now I'm just finally getting my hands on it. One of the main reasons why I grabbed this shoe is because I really don't have anything in this colorway. I haven't really bought a lot of shoes this year at all. I just haven't been impressed. And when I figured out that the Air Jordan 6 UNCs wasn't dropping on sneakers app, I kind of realized that my chances of grabbing those was kind of slim, even though I was looking forward to those. I said this earlier when I got those Air Jordan 1 Fragment Low Travis Scotts. I think this year is the perfect year to go back and grab sneakers that we didn't grab that we always wanted. Even if that means passing on a few retail pairs and going back and getting the ones you really want, this might be the perfect time. I took the liberty to do that with this, man. Even though the sneaker retailed at $220, I paid $325. Now I know $325 isn't crazy. You know, some of us pay thousands of dollars for sneakers, but I just think that, you know, sometimes when you pay resale, you don't want to, it can hit you deep. To make it even worse, after I bought this sneaker, I hit up my boy Unbreakable Kicks, and he literally told me he had a 12 in his basement that he could have gotten me for retail. Yeah. Terrible friend. Next time y'all see one of his videos, spam in the comments, Snipe said you a L man. This all over yellow Jordan 4 is a must, man. Like I said, the colorway is once in a lifetime. You really don't see Air Jordans this color. I have no shoe in my closet this color, and I definitely been trying to step out more with fits, different outfit looks, and I needed something like this to complete a lot of different looks, man, and I just didn't have it. This was one of those things where, like, I seen people walking around in the Lightning 4s, and I was just like, damn, why don't I have those? I had no reason. I literally had no reason to justify why I didn't own it. I think it was one of them things where, like, yeah, they cool, but I can live without it. Until I started to see people walking around and having them on, and I'm just like, maybe I can't live without these, bro. Maybe I need to go grab them. Very quickly, I do want to add that the Air Jordan 4, I said this in plenty of videos, but since this is literally an Air Jordan 4 video, the popularity of the Air Jordan 4 is at an all-time high. I can't think of a time where it was more popular. I even think to a further degree that, you know, it's definitely arguably better or just as good as the Air Jordan 1. And this is also one of those shoes that I want to tell you guys, it will go up in price. So that's another reason why I'm kind of happy about this. Think about it. We haven't seen this shoe since 2006. They dropped it 6 years later. When is the next time you think we're gonna get a pair of Lightning 4s? So for any of my people who actually got pairs and they sitting on them, I would definitely say over time, man, this shoe could definitely be like a $600, $700 shoe. And even though you probably can't see it now because it's only a few $100s over retail or 100 and some change, the Air Jordan 4 will only become more popular over time. And on top of that, this Lightning colorway will only become more sacred over time because it's gonna be a drought. We probably never see these for another 10 years. Who knows? Take advantage of the market, take advantage of the popularity of the Air Jordan 4. That's another reason why I grabbed it. You gotta think, even aftermarket sneakers is like the same type of ideal. What I mean by that is either buy it at $325 like I did today, or wait another year and buy it for $480, or wait 2 years and buy it for $600. You get what I'm saying? It's never gonna get better. The only time you'll actually see a shoe drop in like numbers is if Nike decides or Jordan decides that they're gonna relaunch. For example, right, we got the Air Jordan 1 Chicago's that Nike is saying that they will be releasing December of this year, which I'm completely excited about because I almost paid the $2,600 on StockX for the shoe. Now, obviously, those prices are going to start dropping down when the new pairs start coming out because resellers just want to get rid of the pairs they've been holding on to. So basically, if you're not willing to wait until whenever they re-release, bro, the best decision is to buy them early before they gain in value. As weird as this might seem, I still think that it's probably one of the top Air Jordan 4s to release in some time now, even though I didn't buy it right off the bat. Still get people that comments and tell me that the colorway just isn't as popping as the pair that released in 2006. I even still know some people who own pairs from the 2006 release, and I can agree to that. But I mean, beggars can't be choosers. I still like the colorway. It's not as good, but it's all good with me, bro. It's still fire. I even like the fact that they did something special for the box. If you bring a shoe back out 6 years later, it's one of our fan favorites. You can definitely switch up the box a little bit. But yes, man, this is my late pickup, man. I finally got them. Air Jordan 4 Lightning. The price will go up. Guaranteed. You can book it right now. If you're one of them people that's on the line about buying a sneaker, it don't even have to be this, but buying any sneaker that you believe is fire, trust me, over time, it will go up. That's just how the game go. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. It is your boy, Sniper Jones. I appreciate y'all so much for watching. I will catch y'all in the next one. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but really putting in that work though. Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.